Searching for DC shunt motor characteristics. The characteristics of a DC shunt motor are the graphical relations among the armature current, torque, and speed of the motor under different load conditions. These characteristics show the performance and behavior of the motor. There are three main types of characteristics of a DC shunt motor. Torque and armature current characteristics. This is the graph plotted between the armature torque and the armature current of the motor. It shows that the torque is directly proportional to the current, and hence it is a straight line passing through the origin. The shaft torque is less than the armature torque due to friction and windage losses. Speed and armature current characteristics. This is the graph plotted between the speed and the armature current of the motor. It shows that the speed is inversely proportional to the current, and hence it is a hyperbolic curve. The speed of a shunt motor is almost constant under normal operating conditions, but it decreases slightly with the increase in load due to the drop in back EMF and flux. Speed and torque characteristics. This is the graph plotted between the speed and the torque of the motor for various armature currents. It shows that the speed decreases as the torque increases, and hence it is a downward sloping curve. The speed-torque characteristics of a shunt motor are similar to those of a separately excited DC motor. The characteristics of a DC shunt motor indicate that it is a nearly constant speed motor having its starting torque 30% to 40% more than its rated torque. The speed of a shunt motor can be adjusted over a wide range by varying the field resistance or the supply voltage. A shunt motor is suitable for applications that require constant speed, such as fans, blowers, pumps, machine tools, etc.